And then we're gonna talk. It's been a long time since I shot a shotgun, so.
Oh, dude, I love this shotgun. This shotgun is like, I come
I
out
can't,
here.
my arms are too short.
I come out here literally every day and shoot this shotgun.
So every time you just cog it back. One trigger. Alright, I got you. I'll eat some clips. They're good?
Yeah, you're good. You need to cock it back though. Push it like this. You just gotta like squeeze it.
Can't do it. Love it. Alright, now what do I do next time? Just cock it back?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just
Ready?
make sure you're hitting low. Like aim at that piece of wood just to be safe. Not the tire. If you hit the tire, we're gonna die.
On three. 1.
Watch that tire. That's cool.
You didn't put 5 in there, dude.
I
only shot 3.
Was there?
Yeah. I'll hit that bucket right there.
Just don't hit the tire, because we're all gonna die.
Over there.
It's gonna bounce back.
Yeah.
Trust me.
It'll bounce off the tire though.
What do you hit?
Joey's gonna kill us
It'll
all.
hit us.
What do you want me to hit?
Just anywhere but the tire!
No,
tree?
not too high. No, don't aim high.
In here, the dirt.
Just don't hit the tire.
I want to hit that.
Cool.
That's fun.
Yeah.
I like that.
I love shooting.
Me too. It's been a while since I shot a gun.
Dude, look, I got all that property over there is mine. All this is mine. And the woods are pretty much mine.